Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, I also how to design a gear with a thread, and you can also say that a thread node or design in SOlidworks. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody. Uh, Please, if you do not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it, and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now, I'm going to start. Take a new file. Okay. Then I'm selecting the units and images. I'm taking the top line, going to the features, extrude boss is selected, taking circle, another circle. The diameter of the outer circle is 52 millimeters, and the inner circle diameter is 24 millimeters. Then okay, exit it. Then I'm taking this will be the 9 millimeters upwards. Done. See. After that, I'm sketching. Then I'm going to get a circle and determine the diameter of the circle is 29 millimeters. 29, and selecting this inner circle, convert entities. See, again selecting this one, convert entities. Now see, after going to the features, extruded boss is selected. Now it will be extrusion. I'm taking this one as only 1 millimeter suppose. Okay, done. See, now I am to select this face and sketch, taking a center line, sketching a center line from here to here, and also horizontal. Right click. Now select this outer circle and convert. Now taking a circle here, sketching is again, taking circle, sketching circle here, then taking a line, sketching a line from here in tangent. Okay, let me click. Okay. After that, I am going to the mirror, selecting this line, mirror about, then selecting center line. Okay. Then I am going to the trim entities, trim the circle, trim the circle. Then going to determine the dimension, taking this radius 2 millimeters, and the distance between two this lines is 60 millimeters, and the distance from here to here it will be 20 millimeters. Okay, then okay. After that, I'm going to the frames entities and click here and click here. Now trim it. Then okay. Then going here, circular entity is selected. Click these lines, these lines, these lines, and these lines. All are selected. Now I'm taking the number of the portion is 12. Then okay. Okay. Then going features. Extruder card is selected. Now I'm taking 12. Okay. Right. Now see, the gear is done. Okay. After that, I'm taking the front plane, normal, and sketch. Going to the center line, sketching a center line here. Double click. Okay. Taking a line, sketching a line from here. See, see here and here, here. starting from here to upwards, and then right and click select. And selecting these lines and this edge are make collinear. Done. Then determine the dimension. These lines and these lines between the angle will be 15 degrees. Okay. Then okay, go to the features. Then revolve part is selected. See, the object is done. Then I have to create a thread. So I'll thread the previous portions, I mean the upper portions thread according to the upper thread portions. That's why I'm going to the insert and part is selected. Then I'm going here, look at the part with move features uh, signed, then browse. Then I'm taking the top part and the top parts, upper parts. Then it will be locate. So it will locate and move. So I'm taking this portion. Here, convert custom property values that derived parts are changed. Okay, yes. Then see. After that, what I have to do? Mat settings. Now I'm clicking these portions and other portion. Then I'm changing the distance. I'm taking this distance will be 60 millimeters. See, its settings in this middle one. Now, okay, let's match. By this portion, we can nut and bolt draw at a time. Now, I'm going to the insert and features. Then combine is selected. Now see the combine. Here, subtract is selected main body. Our main body is the nut. So select this one. Then bodies to combine this one. Then okay. Then see the whole. Now I think got it everybody how to make a thread according to the our bodies, and also make how to make a knot or how to make a gear in SOlidworks software. If you think that you are benefited, subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. And I'm also sourcing the materials. I'm taking this one is also the metals steel. Polish is taken. I'm taking this materials. Okay, then I'm going here. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like, comment,